So the step number first to fix your sound will be you can see the sound option right here. Right click on it and go and troubleshoot sound problems. Click on it, and if the option is not here, it's disappeared, then you need to go on search. Here search for settings, click on it, and here you need to go to system, and here troubleshoot and other troubleshooters, and here you will see audio. You need to run it. After you do everything inside and see, in most cases it helps to relieve the problems. So step number two will be you need to go on control panel. Here find sounds, right click on it, and here the speaker you are using. For example, I am using this speaker as my default. Click on it, go to properties by right clicking on it, and here go to levels. If the levels is set to maximum, it must not be set to 0, or this must not be set to turned off. Set it to maximum or the setting you want, and go to advanced section. Also restore to default. Here spatial sound, restore to default. You can also do this for this speaker or the headphones you are using. Or in case right click, after right clicking on it, if it's disabled, then you need to enable it. For example, it's not disabled. If it's disabled, then it will be checked here. If it's, then you need to click on it and it will be enabled. And for example, the speakers are working in some cases. In some cases, in websites or in WhatsApp or in anything, the speaker is not working. For example, if I open YouTube here, and here you need to go on speaker and see this option here, click on it and scroll down for a bit. And if the Brave option or the YouTube option is set to 0, then it's actually disabled from the settings. You need to go all the way and set it to maximum. If it will work, if some websites or some apps do not produce sound, it will fix that issue. Then after that, you need to go on device manager and here find sound, and the speaker you are using. For example, I am using this. Right click on it and you need to uninstall the driver. After the uninstallation is done, you need to restart your PC, and hopefully these things will fix your issue. And if it does not fix your issue, then check it physically. Go to any store or any customer service store and check it physically, and hopefully everything will be set and everything will be fine. Thanks, have a nice day.